Yes, my dear students, welcome back to another session of WAPSI. Okay, yes, we can directly move on to our first question. So the question is that if x is the greatest integer function not greater than x, then you can see that integral 0 to x dx is equal to. Okay, so it's given that if x, okay, if x is the greatest integer function not greater than x, then we need to find integral 0 to 8. Yes, we need to find integral 0 to 8 x dx. X dx. Yes, x dx. Okay, so first of all, we can split this 0 to, yes, 0 to 8 x dx. So we can write it as 0 to 1 x dx plus integral. The next is 1 to 2, 1 to 2 x dx plus integral 2 to 3, isn't it? 2 to 3 x dx plus the remaining integral 3 to 4, 3 to 4, 3 to 4 x dx plus integral 4 to 5, 4 to 5 x dx plus integral 5 to 6, 5 to 6 x dx, x dx plus what is the remaining? There are two terms remaining. So after this I'm going to write here. Yes, so after this, look at here, you can see an arrow, indication mark. Yes, that means a continuous. After this, I'm going to write the continuous steps here. 6 to 7 x square dx. What is the next? The last is 6 to 7 plus 6 to 7 plus 7 to 8 x dx. Okay, so here, what is the value of this? The value of this is equal to 0. And here, x dx, x, that means integral of x dx, the value is x. So hereafter, just apply the limit, that is upper limit 2 minus 1. So value of this one is 1. And here also, 3 minus, yes, what is the value of this one? Value of this is equal to 3. Value of this one is equal to 3. And here, what is the value of this? This is equal to 4 and this is 5. Here, you will get 6, 7. Okay, so 0, 1. This is equal to 2. Sorry, this is 2. Yes. 0 to 1. So the value of this one is equal to 0. Yes, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8. Yes. So the value of this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. This is 3, and this is equal to 4 and 5. After applying the upper limit and lower limit, and this is equal to 6, and this is equal to 7. Okay. So in the next step, we can write this as 0 to 8, yes, 0 to 8 x dx equal to, that is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. 5 plus 6 plus 7. Okay, yes. So the sum of first n natural numbers, sum of first n natural numbers, sum of first n natural numbers is, that is equal to, we can write n into n plus 1 by 2, n into n plus 1 by 2. That is equal to, that is equal to, yes. So here just substitute the value of n. What is the value of n? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So 7 into 8 divided by 2. 7 into 8 divided by 2. That is equal to 28. That is equal to 28. Yes. Now go through the options. For the first one, you can see it's 28. Yes, the first one is the correct answer for this question. So 28 is the final answer for this one. Yes, 28 is the final answer. Now we can move on to the second question. So the second question is given that the coordinates of the point on the, yes, the coordinates of the point on the root x plus root y is equal to 6, at which the tangent is equally inclined to the axis is. Yes, the coordinates of the point, it's given that, yes, coordinates of the point on root x plus root y is equal to 6, at which the tangent is equally inclined to the axis is. Equally inclined to the axis is. So first of all, I'm going to find a derivative of this with respect to x. Yes. So derivative of this one with respect to x. So 1 by 2 root x, 1 by 2 root x plus here 1 by 2 root y into dy by dx into dy by dx equal to 0. Equal to, because the derivative constant, that is equal to 0. Okay, so hereafter on rearranging, we can write this as dy by dx, just move it to a right hand side, so this will become negative, so we can write dy by dx is equal to minus of root y by x, minus of root y by x. Okay, and we know that slope is equal to slope minus 1. Slope is equal to minus 1, because it's given that root x plus root y is equal to 6, at which the tangent is equally inclined to the axis. Equally inclined to the axis. So this is equal to minus 1. This is equal to minus 1. So hereafter we can write this is equal to minus 1. So y is equal to, we can write y is equal to x. Y is equal to x. Okay, so in the next step, instead of y here, just substitute x. Instead of y, we can substitute x. Okay, so that is equal to root x plus, yes, root x plus root x is equal to 6. So from this we can write 2 root x is equal to 6. So that means 2 root x is equal to 6. From this we can write root x is equal to 3. Therefore value of x is equal to 9. We can write x is equal to 9. Similarly y is equal to, yes, x is equal to 9. So root 9 means just substitute the value of x here. Substitute the value of x. So root 9, that is 3. So 3 plus, if you are going to substitute the value of x is equal to 9 here, that is 3 plus root y is equal to 6. So root y is equal to 3. Therefore y is equal to 9. Okay, so we can write x is equal to 9, and y is equal to 9. X is equal to 9 and y is equal to 9. Now look at the options. So while we are going through the options, the coordinate of the point on root x plus root y is equal to 6. So the points are 9, 9. The value of x is equal to 9, y is equal to 9. Yes. So this is the answer for this question. Now we can move on to the third question. Yes, the third one. So the third question is area of the region bounded by the curve. The curve is given as y is equal to tan x, and the x axis, yes, y equal to tan x, the x-axis and inclined x is equal to pi by 3 is the area of the region bounded by the curve y is equal to tan x, comma, the x-axis and the line x is equal to pi by 3 is. Okay, so area A is equal to integral, because it's given that x is equal to pi by 3, x is equal to pi by 3. So 0 to pi by 3, 0 to pi by 3 y dx, y dx. Okay, so y is given as tan x, so we can write tan x dx here. Yes, tan x dx. So what is this integral of this one? That is equal to log mod sec x. Now limit 0 to pi by 3. Okay, so we know that cos pi by 3 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so sec pi by 3. What is the value of sec pi by 3? Sec pi by 3, the value is equal to 2. Yes, sec pi by 3 value is equal to 2. So we can write A is equal to log 2. Now, just go through the options. So while we are going through the options, we can see that the second one that is log 2 is the correct answer for this question. The area of the region bounded is area that is equal to log 2 is the correct answer for this question. Okay, here comes the next question for you. So the question is that evaluate integral 2 to 3 x square ds as the limit of a sum. Evaluate integral 2 to 3 x square dx as the limit of sum. So how we can evaluate this? What is the integral of x square dx? That is equal to x square dx. So it is x cube divided by 3, x cube divided by 3, 2 to 3. So hereafter 1 by 3 we can take outside. So that is equal to 1 by 3. Just take it outside. Yes, x cube. So 3 cube, 27 minus 2 cube. What is the value of 2 cube? That is equal to 8. Okay, so 27 minus 8. So that means 90 by 3. Okay, so for this question, the correct answer for this one is 19 by 3. Now look at the options. You can see the fourth one is the correct answer. That is, yes, fourth one is the correct answer. I is equal to 19 by 3 is the correct answer. So we can move on to the next one. So the next question is given that integral cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha into dx is equal to, you can see there are 4 options. So first of all we can write integral cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha divided by cos x minus cos x minus cos alpha is equal to, we need to find the value of this one. Okay, so cos 2x, for cos 2x, yes, cos 2x, so we can write it as 2 cos square x minus 1. So here on the numerator I am going to write it as 2 cos square x minus 1 minus here for the same, but here instead of x we can use alpha here. So that is 2 cos square alpha. Yes, so I just open the bracket, so here it will become plus 1. Okay, divided by the denominator same, cos x minus cos alpha, cos x minus cos alpha. Yes, so positive 1, negative 1, just cancel here. So in the next step, just look at the numerator. Just look at the numerator. So while you are looking at the numerator, you can see that 2 is common there. Just take the 2 common outside. Okay. So 2 into integral of cos square x minus cos square alpha divided by cos x. Yes. Cos x minus cos alpha. Cos x minus cos alpha. So now look at the denominator. Cos x minus cos alpha is there. So while we are going to cancel cos x minus cos alpha from the denominator and from the numerator, the next step is 2 into integral of cos x plus cos alpha dx. Cos alpha dx. So hereafter just we can find the integral separately. That is 2 is common. So 2 into integral of cos x dx plus integral of cos alpha dx. Cos alpha dx. It's not cos square, it is cos alpha dx. Alpha. Okay, yes. In the next step, cos x dx. So 2 into sin x plus. Here we can write x cos alpha. Yes. That means this is the final answer. Just look at the options. You can see that while you are going through the options, you can see that the second one is the correct answer. That is 2 sin x plus x cos alpha plus c. Yes, I forget to write the c after integral. Yes. So for every integral, after every operation, we need to write the c. Yes, plus c. This is plus c. Plus c. Okay. So my dears, now we can move to the next question. So the question is that if A is equal to matrix, singular matrix, the first row is 2 minus k, 2, and the second row is 1, 3 minus k, is singular matrix, then the value of 5k minus k square is equal to, yes. So A is equal to, singular matrix A is given as 2 minus k, 2 minus k, 2, and here 1, 3 minus k, 1, 3 minus k is singular matrix. Then the value of, we need to find 5k minus k square. We need to find this 5k minus k square. How we can find this? Just multiply here. That is 2k minus 3k. Sorry, it's not 2k, 2 minus k into 3 minus k minus 2 is equal to 0. Minus 2 is equal to 0. So hereafter, just multiply here. So on multiplying, we can write, yes. So on multiplying, we can write k square minus 5k. K square minus 5k plus 4 is equal to 0. 4 is equal to 0. Okay. So from this, yes, k square minus 5k plus 4 is equal to 0. So from this, simply we can write the value of k is equal to 4 or 1. Just look at the options. So while we are going through the options, you can see that only 4 is there, 1 is not there. So here the value of k square, 5k minus k square, the value of 5k minus k square, that is equal to, yes, that is equal to 4. So the answer for this question is, yes, 5k minus k square, the answer is equal to 4. So my dears, so the next question is given that if sine inverse 2a divided by 1 plus a square plus cos inverse 1 minus a square divided by 1 plus a square is equal to tan inverse 2x divided by 1 minus x square, where a comma x belongs to 0, 1, then the value of x is. So in this question, we need to find the value of x. It's given that sine inverse 2a divided by 1 plus a square. Sine inverse 2a divided by 1 plus a square. Yes. Plus cos inverse 1 minus a square divided by 1 plus a square. 1 minus a square divided by 1 plus a square, that is equal to tan inverse 2x divided by 1 minus x square. 2x divided by 1 minus x square. Now, first of all, instead of a, I am going to substitute a is equal to tan alpha. A is equal to tan alpha. Now look at here, sine inverse. What is? First of all, we can consider this. That is sine inverse 2 tan alpha divided by, 2 tan alpha divided by 1 plus tan square alpha. 1 plus tan square alpha plus cos inverse. So we are going to substitute a is equal to tan alpha and also x is equal to we are going to substitute x is equal to tan theta. X is equal to tan theta. We are going to substitute a is equal to tan alpha and x is equal to tan theta. X is equal to tan theta. Yes, so we are going to substitute this. Yes, so 2 tan alpha divided by 1 plus tan square alpha into cos inverse. So first of all, we are going to work on the left hand side. So cos inverse 1 minus a is equal to tan alpha. So 1 minus tan square alpha divided by 1 plus tan square alpha. 1 minus tan square alpha divided by 1 plus tan square alpha. Yes. That is equal to, that means this is the left hand side. This is an LHS. I mean, this all is a LHS. So this is equal to, tan inverse. Instead of x, just substitute tan theta. So that is 2 tan theta. 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. 1 minus tan square theta. So 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. Yes. So on the next step, sine inverse. What is 2 tan alpha divided by 2 tan alpha divided by 1 plus tan square alpha. This is equal to, simply we can write it as sine 2 alpha. Sine 2 alpha. This is equal to sine 2 alpha. So sine 2 alpha is equal to 2 tan alpha divided by 1 plus tan square alpha. And what about this? 1 minus tan square alpha divided by 1 plus tan square alpha. 1 minus tan square alpha divided by 1 plus tan square alpha, that is equal to cos. That is equal to cos 2 alpha. And what about here? 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. Simply we can write it as tan 2 theta. Okay, yes. So this is equal to tan 2 theta. So we can write sine inverse sine 2 alpha plus cos inverse cos to alpha that is equal to tan inverse 2 theta. Tan inverse tan 2 theta. Okay. Yes. Now look at here. Sin inverse sin 2 alpha. What is that? Sin inverse sin 2 alpha. That is 2 alpha. Here we can write 2 alpha plus cos inverse cos 2 alpha. That is 2 alpha is equal to tan inverse tan 2 theta. That is equal to 2 theta. 2 theta. So 2 alpha plus 2 alpha. This is alpha. 2 alpha plus 2 alpha. What is the value? So 2 alpha plus 2 alpha, that is equal to 4 alpha. So we can write 4 alpha is equal to 2 theta. 4 alpha is equal to 2 theta from, and also we can write, just divide the both side by 2. So we can write 2 alpha, yes, 2 alpha that is equal to 2 alpha that is equal to theta. 2 alpha that is equal to theta. Okay, so hereafter we can write 2 tan inverse, yes, 2 tan inverse A. So for 2 alpha we can write 2 tan inverse A is equal to 2 tan inverse A is equal to tan inverse x, tan inverse x. Okay, so that is equal to, we know that 2 tan inverse A is equal to, simply we can write this as 2 tan inverse A, that is equal to, that means on the next step we can write this as 2 tan inverse A is equal to 2 tan inverse A is equal to tan inverse x. So that is equal to tan inverse 2A divided by 1 minus A square, that is equal to tan inverse x. Tan inverse x. So just we can cancel the tan. So in the next step we can write x is equal to 2A divided by 1 minus A square, x is equal to 2A divided by 1 minus A square. Now look at the options. So while we are going through the options, we can see that here option B is the correct answer. That is x is equal to, the value of x is equal to 2A divided by 1 minus A square is the correct answer for this question. Okay. So now we can move on to the next one. So the next question is given that if x 3, yes, it's a column matrix 3, 2 and y, column matrix 1 minus 1 is equal to column matrix 15, 5. Then the value of x and y are. So here for this question we need to find the value of x and y. So the question is that x, column matrix 3, 2, column matrix 3, 2 plus y, 1 minus 1 equal to 15, 5. Okay, so from this one we can write 3x plus y is equal to 15. And here 2x minus y equal to 5. 2x minus y equal to 5. So hereafter, just add this. So if you are going to add this, definitely we will get the x. So x, on adding this, 3x plus 2x, 5x. So 5x, yes, plus y minus 5, they will cancel. So that is equal to 5x is equal to 20. So hereafter the value of x is equal to 20 by 5. X is equal to, in the next step we can write x is equal to 20 by 5. The answer is 4. So the value of x is equal to 4. Similarly, what is the value of y? just substitute the value of x here or anywhere. So I'm going to substitute the value of x here. So 8 minus y is equal to 8 minus y is equal to 5. So hereafter, which implies minus y is equal to minus 3. So from this we can write y is equal to 3. Yes, y is equal to 3. That means the value of x is equal to 4. The final answer is x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 3 is the final answer for this question. Yes, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 3 is the final answer for this question.